Chapter 3: Essential Vocabulary and Grammar for Business Chinese. We'll cover the vocabulary and grammar that are needed to do business in Mandarin in this chapter. Having a strong foundation of business Mandarin vocabulary and grammar is essential for success in the global marketplace, whether you're negotiating a sale or composing a professional email. Business vocabulary. Let's begin by going over some key Chinese business vocabulary. Jie, enterprise company. Maui, trade. Hezhua, cooperation. Xie, agreement. Shangwu, business. Shichang, market. Saigo, procurement. Kahu, customer client. Tozi, investment. Shichanging Xiao, marketing. Let's move on to some crucial business Mandarin grammar now. Liaojia, to understand or know, used to express understanding of a concept or idea. Example, 我了解你的想法, I understand your ideas. Xuyao, to need, used to express a need or requirement. Example, 我需要更多的信息, I need more information. Lianxi, to contact, used to express the act of contacting someone. Example, 我会联系你的, I will contact you. Qing, please, used to make polite requests or invitations. Example, 请给我一份报价单, please give me a quote. Kaning, possibly maybe, used to express a possibility or uncertainty. Example, women kaning hui tuchi hui, we may need to postpone the meeting. Rugua, if, used to express a conditional statement. Conclusion. We've covered the vocabulary and grammar that are necessary for conducting business in Chinese in this chapter. For success in the international market, it is essential to have a solid foundation in business Chinese grammar and vocabulary. The following chapters will examine useful techniques for communicating in Chinese via phone, email, and negotiation.